Yeah, so this is what we're cooking tonight. Hi guys, karibuni to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, my name is Shantriza. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for staying with me all this while. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Let me know what you want to see in my next video. Thank you so much for the love you showed me in the previous video. Let's head straight. Actually, today what you're doing, we're cooking. That's why I'm in the kitchen section. So let's head straight to the video. Love you guys. So guys, nisha kata tomatoes, kitunguu, pilipili. Hadi naona nisha kata. Tuanze sasa na kuosha. I have a guest. Na wakati hapa sijui kama nataka ni adapt au natakaje. So we are cooking my style, not your style. My style. So kwanza nyama. So tunaweka mafuta. Mingi tu juu tunapikana bado hadi rice. So mafuta yashachemka. Tutafunika hadi turn brownish. In the meanwhile, we will do nothing. So that's how your meat should be looking like. Remember, we've not boiled it to make anga too because it's boneless. We've added our pilipili. Then we add in our chopped onion. Then we cover it to cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. The onion is fully cooked. We add in our tomato. Same process, we cover it up. Tuache iive kidogo. For the same 2 to 3 minutes. Tuongeze moto. Yep. As it's cooking, tuoshe vyombo zimetumia. Okay, nimeshaanza actually before turning on the wonder because we can't try chumvi. So tuweke little curry powder. Gas is just small anyway to your preference. Then soy sauce. Soy sauce more. Home to the chili family. You know when you have a and you tell it because nachemsha naongeza rice ndani after it so let's mix it. Then glass moja zima some of you don't like creams in the rice, but me I do. Rubbing your rice. What comes curry powder haijatosha because ni kama nimeweka nini mob. Mtaje soy sauce. So I decided to edit my other videos that I've been doing during the day as I wait for the food. So there's something that in a brain, but God willing, I managed to find a way to deal with it. Let's go and check the rice if it's ready. We are back. Our food is ready. Let's check it out. Where? How was it now? I don't want it to get so dry because I'm just eating it that way. So that's how it looks. That's how it looks. Let me serve it, then I'll show you. Voila! That's how the food looks. Inatokana moja moja, si ati itokane moja moja. So since someone is on diet, this is the maximum I can eat. The food is delicious, but this is the maximum I can eat. Yeah. Bye guys. Good night guys. See you in the next videos.